like an oily mess. What's good? It's your girl Mami Tiff, and I am back again with another video. What is up, you guys? Today I am recording my 2020 curly hair routine. Crazy, I know. The type of hair that I have is a mix between like 3B, 3C. Now if you are between 2A and 2C, honestly, if you just look up curly hair routine, you guys are like the first 5 videos that pop up. And then between 3A to 3C, just scroll down a little bit more and you'll find a bunch of curly hair routines with 3A to 3C hair type. But if you are 4A to 4C, for some reason, YouTube's algorithm has a little bit of texturism. Anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and link down a couple of videos for my 4A to 4C queens and kings. But before you think about leaving this video, I still think you should continue on watching, because I'm going to be talking about hair tips and tricks that honestly could be utilized throughout all the textures on the spectrum, from pin straight to tight kinky coily hair. So yeah, pause. If this is your first time ever clicking on my video and ever seeing my face, honey, subscribe! Subscribe, because we make really silly, dope, cool, and funny videos on this channel, so why wouldn't you? And if you are loving the energy and the vibes that I'm giving you, go ahead and feel free to hit me with a like. And if you have any comments, questions, or video suggestions, feel free to comment them down below. And without further ado, let's dive into the video. Whoosh. Okay, so if you can't tell, I literally just got out of a workout and I'm not sweating anymore because I had to like set up my camera and everything, but I look like an oily mess. Ew. This is actually like a twist out and it's still pretty good, but I've just done so many styles with it and we need to refreshen her, you know what I'm saying? Alright y'all, so as you can see, my hair is ready to be refreshed and clean. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get my hair completely soaking wet so that I can start applying products to it. So the shampoo that I'm going to be using in my hair today is the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Shampoo. Y'all, I love this shampoo. I have used it on and off throughout the years. The first YouTubers to ever put me on were the Glam Twins, you know, the curly hair gurus, the mothers of curly hair, the final boss. Anyways, I just love this shampoo because I have a lot of dandruff issues and I just feel like this shampoo really helps tackle that. On top of the fact that this shampoo just gives off this very like nice, cooling and tingly sensation, and honestly that is just so refreshing to feel when you be having that flaky, hot. Now I only massage the shampoo into my scalp because I don't want it getting on my beautiful curls and drying out my curls, because this is not a sulfate free shampoo, sweetie. You know, some of the ingredients in this shampoo could be a little drying, so I don't want to get it on my curls because my curls are gonna need as much moisture as they can get. That being said, I only allow the shampoo to stay in my scalp for about like 1 to 2 minutes max, and then I go ahead and wash it out immediately. Now, I know y'all are like, Tiffany, what brand of conditioner is this? Sweetie, what? Because I'm a 30-year-old Pinterest mom, you know, I just had to do this little artsy DIY project where I put some of my bath products in these cute little amber bottles with these cute little labels. So guys, this is completely unnecessary. You do not need to do this, but I just love the way that this looks aesthetically. It really tricks my mind into believing that I'm at a 5-star luxury spa when it's just really my bathroom, but you know, we're in quarantine. I'm bored. What do you want? Anyways, the conditioner that I used is the Organics Quenching Coconut Curls Conditioner. Now y'all, this conditioner, baby, that's the bee's knees. So I really just love this conditioner because it really just defines my curls, and it has so much slip that it's just easy to finger detangle with in the shower. Letting the conditioner just kind of sit in your hair for the remainder of your shower routine is just like giving your hair a little bit of a deep conditioner. You know what I'm saying? Refresh them, get them nice and moisturized. And then right before I get out the shower, I'll go ahead and lightly, okay, lightly, sweetie, lightly rinse my hair underneath like cool to like room temperature water, just a little bit, because I want this conditioner to stay in my hair. Like I said earlier on, this really defines my curls, and why wouldn't I want to keep a product in my hair that defines my curls and helps just prep me for my out of shower routine. Alright y'all, if you are wondering what the heck is on my head, so what's on my head is just a microfiber towel. I know all of us curly girls talk about the importance of using a microfiber towel on our head simply because of the fact that regular towels are just so damaging to our curls and overall just create so much unnecessary frizz. But honestly, if you just have hair on the top of your head, you should really use a microfiber towel, because who wants to damage their hair at all? I mean, come on. And if you don't want to spend your coin on getting a microfiber towel, you don't have to, because there's a dupe and it is a household item called your cotton t-shirt. Yes, you heard it correct. You know, I'm just trying to put you on, so don't let it pass you. Y'all look, the curls are already hitting. We haven't even applied the out of shower products yet, okay? Period. Okay, so before I apply any of my products, I always section out my hair. I just feel like this is the best way for you to apply products, because then you give all of your lovely curls an equal amount of love. When you don't section your hair, you do not have the opportunity to get every single curl. So the first product I always apply to my hair is an oil. The oil that I'm using today is the Aussie Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. So this oil actually more has a consistency of a serum, but I love this oil because jojoba oil and avocado oil are just a lot lighter. My hair texture, it's here for it. And throughout every step you guys are gonna see in this video, I am consistently in between products spraying my hair. I have high porosity hair, so the best way I could possibly describe how high porosity hair works is the minute you turn off your shower and let your hair out into the open, you know, the regular air, it is like, girl, thirsty. What the fuck? So me consistently wetting my hair is because I want to make sure that I apply all of my products to soaking wet hair, because I feel like that's just the best application process if you want really defined curls. Now the leave-in conditioner that I am currently standing right now is the Aussie Miracles Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk. Y'all, I love this product overall because it really just helps define my curls and it has a lot of slip. Okay, now that I've applied an oil and a leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna go ahead and add in this Paul Mitchell Foaming Pomade. First of all, I just want to say for this product and the next product my mother put me on, so shout out to my mom because I really like these products. Now, I love this specific foaming pomade because it clumps my curls together. I also highly recommend this product if you were thinking about some form of like doing a twist out or even just a finger curl. Like, this is great for finger curls. And at first, your hair is gonna look like it's literally going through a bubble bath. You're gonna be so confused, but trust me, trust the process. This will magically disappear as your hair magically dries. Now, to go along with the Paul Mitchell Foaming Pomade, I also use the Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Super Sculpt. Now, the Super Sculpt is like a heavier serum, but I like this a lot because it literally gives your hair so much shine and it kind of seals the hair follicle, and it overall just helps with clumping your curls again. So these two, sweetie, these go hand in hand. And after applying both the products, I just really love smoothing down each individual hair clump. That sounds so weird. each individual hair clip with my fingers just to really like lock in the product and to make sure my hair is gonna be defined. Okay, now that I've shown you each individual step-by-step of my out of shower products that I use on my hair, go ahead and enjoy this little montage. I'll also go ahead and finger curl the front pieces of my hair just because that is the first thing that people are going to see of me, and I want to make sure that those are really intact, girl, okay? We want to make sure those gotta be the best curls on your hair, period.
8 hours later.
Alright, y'all, it is 3 a.m. and my hair is not necessarily fully dry, so we're gonna check back in tomorrow. Technically like day 2 of the hair or whatever, but the first day hair is always like in a gel cast, and it takes my hair over like a day to dry. Like, I don't know why, that's just how curly hair works. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all in the morning. Well, it's technically already morning, later in the morning. Alright, y'all, so it is a different day. This is day 2. My hair is fully dry. And could we just get into this color? I mean, come on. My sister she really did that. If y'all don't know, my sister colors and she cuts my curly hair. I'll go ahead and add her Instagram here. Make sure to go follow her if you're in the New York area. Hit her up. The edge control that I use today, I don't normally use this one. It's just like one of the edge boosters. It's the white one. And then I just use like a little edge brush. An easy dupe for this is like a literal toothbrush. You have finally reached the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something, found some new curly hair tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, please send it out to all the curly girls you know, send it to your mama, your sister, your auntie, all of them. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.